Properties of integer. So this is the one of the important topic, properties of integers. So what are integers? Simple: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If I go negative, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. That is a positive side, this is for negative sides. So in these integers, satisfied these properties or not. So already you observe properties of whole numbers, same like that only, that is we are applying here only. So first one, closed property. First one is closed property. If I not understand, before watch my video, that is properties of whole number, then after it easily understand. So closed. Closed means how to take any numbers, any two numbers under addition. I am going for closed property under addition, I am checking. So first 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that is also 5 is also integer. How to take any two integers? For example, I am taking minus 3, 0. Minus 3 plus 0 also minus 3. Minus 3 also integer. So next, if I would take 0 minus 5, that is also minus 5. Minus 5 is also integer. So you have to take any two numbers should add. Then the result should be in that number, then it is closed. For example, plus 5 plus minus 5, that is also 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 0 is also integer. So these are the closed property under addition. Closed property under addition. Next, after closed, after commutative. Next, what is commutative property? Commutative under addition only I am checking. First I am checking for this line, then after this, then after this, then after this, using these properties. First, commutative. What is the commutative means? How to take any two numbers? 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 also 5. So add any two numbers irrespective of their places. 2 plus 3 are 2 plus 3. So you have to interchange. The result should be same. Then it is called commutative. For example, 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Plus 5 plus 100 is equal to 105. So if I have to take negative numbers also, minus 100 plus 200, you are getting how much? Plus 100 only. If I have to take 200 minus 100, the answer should also 100. So this is the commutative property. Commutative property means had to add any two numbers, a plus b or b plus a. The answer should be equal. In general, we are writing a plus b is equal to c, then b plus a also c. This is for integers. So integers also commutative. Integers after next associative property. Next associative property. What is associative? What is associative? Under addition. Under operation addition. How to take any two numbers? 3 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6. 3 plus 4 plus 6. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6 is equal to 10. 13. This is associative property. How to take any positive integers or negative integers? So first two numbers, then after add that number. Next, first number, add these two numbers. The result should be equal. The result should be equal. Then it is called associative property under addition. So in general, we are writing a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is for general. In generally, we are writing. So this is also associative property. Next to identity. Next to identity. What is identity? Observe here. What is identity? Identity means under addition. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 or 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Both are same. If I add 0 to any number, have to add 0 to any number, the answer should be same number. The answer should be same number. Then 0 is called. Then 0 is called identity. Identity under addition. Under addition. 0. 0 is also integer. 0 is also integer. Then integers are satisfied identity property under addition. Identity property under addition. Same like we are going for multiplication. Same we are checking remaining problems for multiplication. First one closed. First one closed. Multiple any two numbers. 2 into 1 is, sorry. Okay. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 is also integer. Okay. Next. Minus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to plus 6. Minus into minus plus. Plus 6. Plus 6 also integer. So you have to take any two integers. You have to take any two integers. The product also integer. Then it is called closed. Next. Closed after we are going for commutative. Next one, commutative. What is commutative? Under addition. In multiplication. Simple. Commutative means 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. 15 is also 15. So irresponsive of their order, irresponsive of their order, answer should be equal. Answer should be equal. So this is also commutative. Or take minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. So automatically this is commutative property satisfied. Commutative after associative. Commutative after associative. Commutative after associative. What is associative? Simple. Associative same like that only. In generally A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. First order no be A into, some members are writing like this also. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, in general. So how to take any two integers? Minus 3 into 2 into 3 plus 5 into 5 is equal to, again I am writing here minus 2 into 3 into 5. Minus 6, minus 2 3 is 6, nothing but plus into minus minus into 5 as it is I am writing. 5 as it is I am writing is equal to minus 2 into 15. Minus 30 minus 30. So in response order, this is also associative property under in multiplication integer satisfied. So associative property. Associative after, next we are going for identity. What is the property? Identity. Simple. Identity. Here. So I have to take any number, integer. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 or 1. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So integers are satisfied. Integers are satisfied. Integers are satisfied. multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Except to 0. We are not consider 0. We won't consider 0. Won't consider 0. We are not consider 0. Except 0, all integers are identity. What is the identity? 1 is identity. Multiplicative identity 1, additive identity 0. Next, we are going for subtraction. So, subtraction means closed. Take closed. Closed means you have to take any. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 is also integer. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 also integer. Therefore, this is a closed property under subtraction. Next to commutative checking. Next I am going for commutative. What is commutative means? Simple. 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is minus 1. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. So, this is not commutative. I've checked similarly also. It is not associative, not. Okay. Next, division we are going for division. Division for first closed. Division for closed. So, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. But 4 divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 is in not integer. 1 by 2 is in not integer. Therefore, this is not closed. Under integers are not closed under division. Under division. Next, similarly, if 8 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 8, this is equal to 2, this is equal to 1 by 2. Both are not equal. So, this is not commutative. This is not commutative. Next, associative, no identity. No identity. But division by 0. 0 by any number. 0 by any number. 0 by 8 or 0 by 5. 0 by 7, that is equal to 0. 0 by any number is equal to 0. But any number by 0, any number by 0, this is undefined, not defined, not defined or infinite. Undefined or infinite. Okay? Next. Again one property. Distributive property. Properties of integer. This is distributive property is one of the part. What is the property? So what is it? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the property. So integer satisfied this property or not. We have to check clearly. So I am taking minus 2 into 1 plus 3. Same you have to compare here. So, minus 2 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3. As it is I am writing. As it is I am writing. So, minus 2 into 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Next, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus minus 6. So, minus 8. This is also minus 8. Therefore, distributive property means A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So, based on these properties, we are using applications to calculate easily our problem, solve the problems very easily. Next, I have to take another one. For example, 3 into 5 plus 4 is equal to. So, observe here also same I am doing. So, what I am saying? First 3 into 5 plus 4, 20. That is equal to 60. Sorry, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 3 ja 27. Similarly, 3 into 5 plus 3 into 4. 15 plus 12. That is equal to 27. 27. This is the distributive properties of integers. Okay. Next we are going for the exercise. Based on this we are solving some problems. Okay, understand? Next.